Hi everyone, happy Friday. This tutorial was created in order to help one of our customers. He posted his question on our support forum. Basically, what he likes to do, he would like to receive daily CSV files into the folder and load them into the database. Basically, he wants to monitor designated input folder for CSV files in the format, upload and import data from each file into the database. Upon successful import, move the file into successful folder, and if import fails, move the file into failed folder. He also wants to maintain daily log, but in this case it's not really necessary because everything is logged. So what he is trying to do can be easily achieved by using directory monitor. We have a whole wiki page dedicated to it, how to set it up, and a video as well. So let's start from our configuration. So I have already started directory monitor service and execution agent service. Some important things to consider. If you click options, I check it execute one action at the time. Just imagine if someone copies like several thousand files to the folder, very small ones. We don't want to start thousands of processes to load the data. So this guarantees that the files will be loaded sequentially. We also enabled execution agent, and we enabled directory monitor. I have created some sample files. It's very basic file. This is the correct file, and that file will fail because we have x of number. Let me show you table I created. It's a very basic table. I also set global variable data root, which is pointing to C data folder. Here it is. So we have two files. We have a full upload folder, success, and fail and buffer. I also created 4 directories. Again, it is using data root variable, upload, buffer, success and failure. So here we have our package. Show message just here for convenience. All it does, it logs this variable name into the log file. Then what we do, we clear the buffer, delete all the files from the buffer folder. We move file to the buffer folder, and we use variables. Yeah. Then we load data using transformation. Please also note that I set fail on error to true. That's very important. And on success, we move it to success folder, and on failure, we move it to failure. Let me show you the action transformation. It's very simple. We just pointing to this file at the moment. Not doing anything special. Is the writer properties, product table, also truncated. Yeah, this is just an example. Let me show you directory monitor settings. So we have a monitor, and it is enabled. That's very important. We are saying here that we are monitoring for files on this computer. And our connection name is upload. And when we are executing process file transformation, again on this computer, and we set a timeout, just in case, 10 minutes. And we're using a regular expression to monitor for the files in the directory. And we're only interested in new files. And we also wait until file is ready for 10 seconds, because it might take a while to copy the file, just in case. Click cancel, we check execution log, so it is empty. So let's copy the files into upload folder. And wait for a while, see? Oh, they disappeared. And let's check execution log. So we have two tasks completed. That's what I mean, here's the file name. So this task was successful, so we moved file to a success folder. And this task failed, and we moved the file to the failure folder. Check the folders. So buffer is empty as it should be. So failure has one file. Success has two files. Some other things we need to consider for production environment. We need to think about that we might have file name duplication. So we might need to add to keep a history of the files. So in this case, as option is to rename the file and add like a suffix to it, for example, like MD5 of the file or something. But it's just for production. Okay, I hope you found this tutorial useful. I will put all the links to video description, and we also add a backup of the repository to the forum post. Sorry. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please of course go to our support forum, and we will do our best to help you. Thank you. Bye.